Going the distance, mastering perseverance in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its secrets one phrase at a time. Today, we're exploring a powerful and motivational expression, go the distance. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, professional advancement, or simply for the joy of mastering a new language, understanding these phrases enriches your communication skills and brings you closer to fluency. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover what it means to truly go the distance. The phrase, go the distance, is an idiomatic expression that inspires images of endurance, commitment, and determination. Originating from the world of sports, particularly boxing and racing, it refers to the ability to endure a challenging course or situation from start to finish. However, its usage extends far beyond the athletic arena. In everyday language, to go the distance means to continue doing something until it is successfully completed, regardless of difficulties or obstacles. It embodies the spirit of not giving up, showcasing perseverance and resilience in the face of challenges. To fully grasp the essence of go the distance, let's look at some examples where this phrase can be applied. Personal goals. Imagine you're preparing for a marathon. Training every day, pushing through pain and fatigue, you're determined to go the distance and cross that finish line, no matter what. Professional life. In a professional setting, completing a long-term project with numerous hurdles could be seen as going the distance. You stay committed to your tasks, overcome every challenge, and achieve your objectives. Academic achievements. For students, finishing a degree despite financial and personal difficulties is a perfect example of going the distance. It signifies staying on course until graduation. These examples illustrate the phrase's versatility and its relevance across various aspects of life, emphasizing the universal value of persistence. For English learners, go the distance is more than just an idiom, it's a principle to live by. Language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires continuous effort, practice, and the willingness to overcome challenges. By embracing the concept of going the distance, learners can maintain their motivation, celebrate small victories, and remain focused on their ultimate goal of fluency. This phrase serves as a reminder that the journey of learning is filled with ups and downs, but with perseverance, the finish line is within reach. Thank you for joining us in today's exploration of the phrase, go the distance. We hope this discussion not only helps you understand its meaning and usage but also inspires you to apply this principle in your English learning journey and beyond. Remember, in language learning and in life, the ability to persevere and remain committed to your goals is invaluable. Keep pushing forward, stay motivated, and you will go the distance. Until next time, happy learning, and see you in our next video.